Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a custom pipe in Angular. So basically you can create in any version of Angular. So currently I'm going to demonstrate you in Angular 14. So this is the same video series of Angular video tutorial. Okay, so before proceeding I would like to request you guys, please subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Okay, so now let's move ahead, okay, to create a custom pipe. So I'm going to start from the same place where we left. Where I left in the last video. Okay, so these are the inbuilt pipes what I have used here. So now I'm going to show you the custom pipe. But so to create a custom pipe, what we need to do here, we need to use this command ng generate pipe and then the pipe name what we want to create. Okay, now let's go ahead and type this. So yeah, you can see this is coming here ng generate pipe and I have named it as square foot. Okay, so square root, sorry. So it will basically get the square root of any past value. Okay, so let me hit enter button to create it. So here it will create at the top. Okay, but if I want to create it inside a pipe folder, so let me just create a folder with name of pipes. It will automatically create a pipes folder and then it will create the I mean the pipe with the name of square foot. So you can see here it's working right now. Okay, and you can see here it's coming here pipe. Okay, and currently it is looking where it should register this pipe. Okay, so it is not able to find where it should register. So what we can do here, we can register it manually. Okay, so right now two files it has created. Okay, so the first file pipe.spec.ts, it is basically for testing purpose. Okay, and not this one, yeah, this square root pipe.spec.ts, this is uh, for testing purpose. And this square root.pipe.ts, this is the main file where we can modify it, we can do and or implement the pipe. So I just want to use it for showing the square root. So what I will do here, I will type in math dot square root, the first one. Okay, and here I will pass the value. Okay, so value is right now unknown, so let me name it as integer, oh sorry, not integer, number. Okay, and now you can see it is able to work, and here okay, it is no, this pipe is not registered with anywhere else, so that's why it is showing the error. So what we need to do here, we need to register it first in app module.ts file. So what we will do here, okay, let me first it's not coming here, it is basically tried to add. Okay, so it is basically under the pipe folder and then square root pipe, and now you can see error is now gone because the same pipe we also need to register here, put here in the declaration. Okay, so now it has registered with the app module or root module. So okay, so we can use this pipe now easily at any place basically. Okay, So now what I will do here, I will go ahead here in HTML file, and here I will create one more h3 tag, and I will do here output some value. For example, I'm putting a 25, and now I want to provide a pipe square root. Okay, and I will click on save. Okay, and now I will run it. npm start. Okay, and now it is running at localhost 4200. So I will go to here in Firefox. I will use localhost 4200, and you can see this is the square root which is coming. Okay, let me do more square root so that it will be easy to understand. Now you can see square root of 25 is coming 5. Okay, and now let's check whether it will return in the decimal as well. So for example, I'm putting it 20. Okay, now you can see it is also coming in the decimal. Okay, and to work with the decimal, we can use multiple pipe by using the same way. We can use like this, and we can use what decimal pipe. Now we can put number. Okay, and then we can put the similar way. Okay, so yeah, like this you can implement any custom pipe. Okay, so let me create one more pipe by using I mean some multiplication or doing something. Okay, so let me create this pipe at the root. So I am not going to generate it inside the pipe. So basically we must need to go ahead with the similar flow if I want to add multiple. So suppose I want to get the double for something double. Okay, and now I will hit enter, and now again this pipe name is, you can see it has updated the app module.ts file. Okay, so you can see double pipe is automatically added here. It is also added. Okay, so it is working perfectly fine. So basically it will add automatically in the declaration section in ng module. Okay, so here you can also see here again it has created a spec.ts and a pipe, and again we have here the same thing. So we can simply do the value multiplication of 2. Okay, and we must need to provide here the type because it is required in TypeScript now, after Angular 8. Okay, so let me put it here number. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so you can also use like this array if you want to put multiple values. Send multiple values in from the array, then you can also send that from here. Okay, so now let me run it by doing npm start. Okay, now you can see it has compiled successfully, and we can simply go ahead here. Okay, we also need to use the same thing in app component.html file so that we can access it. So let me put or add one more. This time I'm going to add s4, and I'm going to put here double, and here I'm going to put the value of, for example, I'm going to put 5, and then I will put the pipe symbol and then double. You can see it is already automatically coming in the suggestion. Okay, because we have registered it in the declaration, we have added it in the declaration inside app module file. Okay, and now you can see double is coming 10, double of 5 is 10. Okay, double of 45 is 90, and we can easily also get the value from the typescript file app component.ts file. So for example, from here I am sending uh, any value from here. For example, I'm going to put test number. Here I'm going to put 46. Okay, let me save it and save this file. And now I'll go to in HTML file, and here I will use it test number, and I will save it. And now you can see it has refreshed the page, and double of 46 is 92 is coming. Okay, so yeah, like this you can implement custom pipes in your Angular project, which will be really beneficial for you to transform the data what you want to display to the user or in the web page. So in this video, that is all guys. So feel free to comment down below in the comment section, or also you can put your feedback or suggestions, whatever you want. Okay, so thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.